Toyota's CEO just dropped a game-changer, announcing the launch of the $10,000 Toyota IMV Zero truck. Yep, you heard it right, $10,000. In this video, we're diving deep into this groundbreaking move by one of the automotive giants. Even the most budget-friendly truck on the US market, the Ford Maverick, starts at $25,000. Now, imagine our excitement when Toyota unveils the IMV Zero, not quite full size, but packing a punch, all for a jaw-dropping starting price of just $10,000. A practical powerhouse that can tow, haul, and turn heads, all for less than half the price of the Maverick. We'll unravel the details of this announcement, dissect its potential impact, and take a spin around how it stacks up against the competition. So, rev your engines and join us as we explore the future of affordable, high-quality vehicles. The introduction of the IMV Zero truck represents a monumental shift for Toyota. Historically associated with premium pricing, the company now aims to challenge the status quo and make reliable and durable vehicles a necessity for everyone. CEO Koji Sato emphasized during the announcement that the IMV Zero truck is Toyota's way of ensuring that owning a dependable vehicle is not a luxury but a fundamental need. The $10,000 price tag attached to the IMV Zero truck is a game-changer in the automotive world. This move opens up new possibilities for individuals and businesses, particularly in emerging markets where affordable transportation is crucial. In stark contrast to most new trucks demanding prices exceeding $30,000, with luxury models reaching astonishing figures of $60,000 to $70,000, Toyota's foray into the sub-$10,000 segment challenges other automakers to reconsider their pricing strategies, potentially reshaping the industry's landscape. Addressing concerns about whether such an affordable vehicle can maintain Toyota's renowned quality and reliability, Sato assured that the IMV Zero truck has undergone rigorous testing and development to meet Toyota's high standards. The company is committed to providing an affordable vehicle without compromising safety or reliability. Toyota achieved this impressive affordability without sacrificing quality by leveraging its extensive global supply chain, streamlined production processes, and incorporating cost-effective materials and technologies. Developed in Thailand, a nation with a fervor for pickups constituting almost half of new vehicle sales, the IMV Zero is strategically positioned. In 2022, Toyota sold 145,435 Hilux copies in Thailand, making up to 17% of the total market share. This, coupled with Thailand's proximity to the Japanese headquarters and other Southeast Asian markets, positions it as a hub for truck development. Expected to be named the Hilux Champ, the IMV Zero made its debut as the Tamara concept in the Philippines. This truck, showcased at the 2023 Japan Mobility Show, diverges from the extravagant trend set by its predecessor, the Toyota Hilux. The Hilux, priced at $15,200, was becoming unaffordable for certain markets. In contrast, the IMV Zero focuses on essential components, minimizing costs and allowing customization for aftermarket modifications. The development team, seeking input from uplifters worldwide, redesigned the truck with a flat windshield, side and rear windows, a flatbed with optional upgrades, and a load-sensitive proportioning valve as standard, with optional ABS. The IMV Zero features no airbags, optional ABS, and simple interiors with door pockets that double as door pulls, crank windows, and basic controls. Without screens, without a radio, and it doesn't even boast a tachometer, the Toyota IMV Zero shares a resemblance with other contemporary vehicles in its scarcity of interior switches. But in this instance, it's due to the absence of features to activate or deactivate. Utilizing the same platform as the Hilux, Toyota's globally marketed pickup, the IMV Zero, commences as a basic framework with 4 wheels, flatbed, and a 2-door cab. If you desire additional features, Toyota is more than willing to include them, and similar to the Hilux, the more luxurious models will probably be accessible based on the location of sale. Let's take a moment, however, to appreciate the sheer simplicity of the essentials. With a utilitarian design, the IMV Zero emphasizes practicality. The drop-side flatbed comes equipped with features like a rotating and sliding pin for the tailgate, a bed step for easy access, and numerous flat areas for securing items. Toyota aims to maximize profits from aftermarket possibilities, presenting the IMV Zero as a versatile solution for various tasks, from a race support vehicle to an overland camper. Scheduled for delivery in 2025 at a $10,000 price point, where airbags and ABS can be removed, the IMV0 aims to cater to a global audience, offering a simple, no-frills vehicle for diverse applications. While it may not carry the historical significance of the Hilux, the IMV0 is positioned to be a practical and affordable alternative in the automotive market. The introduction of the IMV0 truck has created ripples across the automotive industry, with other car makers closely monitoring Toyota's move. This disruptive pricing model challenges competitors such as Ford, Chevrolet, and Ram to reconsider their pricing strategies. Established brands may need to explore partnerships, create sub-brands for budget-friendly vehicles, or focus on innovation and automation to reduce production costs. The IMV0 truck's potential to transform transportation in emerging markets, where affordability is a significant barrier to vehicle ownership, is noteworthy. The truck could benefit farmers, small business owners, and individuals in rural areas, stimulating economic growth by facilitating the transportation of goods and services. While affordability is a significant selling point, concerns about the IMV0 truck's environmental impact have arisen. In response, Toyota has committed to making the vehicle as environmentally friendly as possible within cost constraints. Options such as electric and hybrid variants, as well as optimizing fuel efficiency, are being explored. Toyota's announcement could also impact existing models within the company's lineup, potentially shifting consumer preferences and purchasing patterns. If the IMV0 truck proves successful, it could trigger a shift in consumer demand across the industry, compelling car manufacturers to reassess their product portfolios and emphasize affordability and value to remain competitive in the evolving market landscape. Toyota's strategic move has the potential to reshape the competitive landscape, forcing competitors to rethink their offerings and market strategies. The success of the IMV0 truck could shift consumer demand across the industry, prompting car makers to focus on affordability and value to stay competitive. Despite the excitement surrounding the IMV0 truck, Toyota faces challenges in maintaining quality control, managing supply chain disruptions, and navigating diverse markets. Beyond the commercial impact, the IMV0 truck has the potential to transform the transportation landscape in emerging markets. Affordability, a significant selling point for the IMV0 truck, could break barriers to vehicle ownership for farmers, small business owners, and individuals in rural areas. This accessibility may spur economic growth by facilitating the transportation of goods and services, fostering entrepreneurship, and enabling commerce in various regions. While affordability remains a key factor, questions about the environmental impact of such a budget-friendly vehicle have emerged. In response to growing environmental concerns, Toyota has pledged to make the IMV0 truck as eco-friendly as possible within cost constraints. Plans include exploring electric and hybrid variants along with optimizing fuel efficiency. This commitment to sustainability and budget-friendly offerings may set a precedent for other automakers to follow suit, further advancing the industry's environmental goals. Amid the enthusiasm surrounding the IMV0 truck, Toyota faces various challenges ahead. Sustaining quality control and safety standards while keeping costs low demands continual innovation and meticulous oversight. Supply chain disruptions and material cost fluctuations could pose further hurdles to production and affordability. Navigating diverse markets, regulatory landscapes, and consumer preferences will necessitate a flexible and adaptable global strategy. Toyota didn't go into details about the truck's specifications. However, reports suggest that it is powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine. The IMV0's 137 horsepower contends with a curb weight of 1,555 kilograms, 3,248 pounds. Its interior, reminiscent of a rental moving van in the United States, features vinyl seats, a rubber-lined floor, and basic HVAC controls. For Southeast Asian and South American markets, the less-is-more approach translates to fewer potential issues. On Toyota's oval track, the IMV0 feels sturdy and slightly bouncy, with light steering and a somewhat rubbery gear shifter. It exudes ruggedness rather than cheapness, suitable for daily cargo hauling on underdeveloped roads. Acceleration is described as adequate, with the innate appeal of the IMV0 lying in its simplicity and singular focus on transporting people and cargo from point A to point B. It's a truck that gets the job done one way or another. Toyota's announcement of the $10,000 IMV0 truck represents a pivotal moment in the automotive industry. It challenges established norms, sparks competition, and holds the promise of providing affordable transportation solutions worldwide. The success of the IMV0 truck depends not only on its affordability, but also on Toyota's ability to adapt the vehicle to the unique needs and preferences of different markets. This move by Toyota is leading the way towards affordable, reliable, and sustainable transportation, marking a significant transformation in the automotive industry.